Hey guys, do you ever get stuck for ideas for your building projects? Or do you want to know how to build pretty much anything? Do you want over 16,000 plans with schematics, with the material lists that you need to build each project? Then this may be for you. Now, in the link in the description below, I will leave a link to Ted's Woodworking plans, over 16,000 plans, but I will also leave a link to 50 free plans that you can download and try those out. So let's have this will only be a quick video, so I'm just quickly going to go over the pros and cons. Let's get into it. You've probably already read this anyway, if you're anything like me. Ted's Woodworking Review, Pros and Cons, created by Ted McGrath. Ted's Woodworking is one of the most popular woodworking plans and projects packages online today. And that is true, because who else has got over 16,000 project plans with, like I say, schematics with different angles, of the schematics, the materials list of exactly what you will need for each project. I don't know if there's anybody else actually, any company, anybody at all, really. In this review, we will look at this product and see what are the pros and cons of this package. Ted's Woodworking, what exactly is this package? And don't forget, guys, I will leave a link to both that package, Ted's Woodworking, which is a digital download, so you don't have to worry about getting it sent to you. You can get it downloaded straight away. But however, if you just want to test the waters, I will also leave a link to 50 free plans that you can try out. So created by Ted McGrath, professional woodwork educator and AWI member. Ted's Woodworking is a massive collection of more than 16,000 woodworking projects and blueprints, which you can easily follow to build your own home, furniture, garden, chairs, dog houses, bird feeders, shed, and much more. Ted McGrath spent the last 2 years putting together his woodworking package, and according to him, this package is the most comprehensive online today. That's what I'm saying. I would say it is. I mean, 16,000. I mean, you guys might know of a package that was more than that. However, are you going to get the blueprints for each project? Are you going to get the schematics? Are you going to get the schematics from different angles? Are you going to get the materials list? I doubt it. Now, however, with so many woodworking packages out on the market and on the internet today, is Ted's Woodworking really worth the money? To answer this question and to find if this package is really for you, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of the package. Okay, pros and cons. So let's do the pros. Suitable for different levels. There's no doubt that many woodworkers can benefit from this package. Beginners will find these woodworking plans clear and concise. Nature gives them a solid foundation to build their first projects as they build their confidence to move on. So it's basically what he's saying is, what I'm saying there is, it's for advanced and beginners alike. So there you go. Advanced and professional woodworkers will appreciate the huge variety of different projects and the time-saving value of a high-quality set of plans. I mean, and once again, I don't think you'll find a higher quality online. Very useful bonuses. So you get bonuses as well, guys. Okay. When you order Ted's package, you will also receive 3 bonuses: free drawing and CAD plan viewer. You will get 150 premium woodworking videos. 150, guys. The complete woodworking carpentry guide. 200 pages with carpentry tips and tricks. is very useful for beginners, and the premium videos can help out any woodworker to hone his or her carpentry skills. Surprisingly organized. With 16,000 plans, you'd expect Ted's Woodworking to be pretty disorganized. However, I found it pretty easy to find the exact project I wanted. Money back guarantee. The product comes with 60 days money back guarantee, and if you're not completely satisfied with what you get, you receive your money back. So 2 months guarantee. Money back guarantee. Cons. It may take time to download the package. The size of this download package is not small, and if you have slow internet connection, it may take you a couple of hours to download all the blueprints. In this case, it may be a good idea to upgrade to the DVD edition. You can do it at the members area. Yes, so you can buy the DVDs, guys, if you're prepared to, wait for it to arrive. There's that option. Maybe a little overwhelming at first, just because there are so many woodworking projects and plans. The members area can be a little overwhelming there are actually way more pros. Okay, maybe a little bit overwhelming at first, just because there's so many members area. However, the plans are organized by category, and once you get started, you find it not difficult to find what you're looking for. So the bottom line, overall, there's no doubt that Ted's Woodworking is a very comprehensive and detailed woodworking package that comes with a great amount of solutions for any kind of woodworking project you may think of. There are other great woodworking packages online, and some of them are cheaper than this one, but I seriously doubt that you'll find any package that is so comprehensive as this one, with its thousands of detailed instructions of all kinds of projects, great bonuses, and very good customer support. I hope you found this helpful. All the best. So like I say, guys, short video, but and I'm sure if you click on the links and go and look for yourself, you'll be, if you're not impressed, I'll be amazed. So yeah, if if you're wanting to, for instance, build something coming up for Christmas, or gazebo, or outdoor seating, whatever, you'll find it there.